Good morning. Our lesson today is a roadway design, start to finish. So for this time, I'm going to use Civil 3D 2016. First thing to do is we are going to insert our points. So click Insert, Point from File, then click the plus sign, then select your point data. If this is in an Excel format or it is saved in Excel, it should be in a CSV format. But if it is saved in a notepad, then it is at the text format or text template. Okay, but this time I'm going to use the CSV format. So I'm gonna select my points, then click OK, open. So in this case, specify point file format, we are going to use the comma delimited since this is a CSV file. So I'm gonna click comma delimited, then click OK. So your point does not appear on your screen. You must have to extend so that it will appear on the screen. So click View, click Extend in there. Now we're going to adjust the scale. Okay, so that these are our point. Now you will notice that there is no description on each point. It's only the point style. So just click one point and then click point group properties so that you may select what description you want or what style you want for your points. So for this time, I'm going to use point elevation description. Okay, so point style is basic. You can choose any other style you want, but for this time, this is a basic point style. Then click apply, then OK. Second thing is you are going to create the surface of your Kogo points. So in your prospector tab, right click surface and then create surface. So you're going to change the style. This is the default style, but we can change it. So just click at the right side and then select surface style. I choose contour 1 and 5. So just click the box here and then you can edit your surface style. In display, you are going to control what color you want for your contour lines, the line type, and then the line weight. So for topo major lines, I choose my color in yellow. Click OK, and then line type. So I want Phantom. So I'll click Phantom. Okay, and then line weight, that is major contour line, so I choose 20 mm. Then click OK. Likewise with minor topo lines. I'll choose green or just gray. Okay. And then line type, choose dash or hidden. And then line weight, choose 0.05. Then apply. Oh wait, we must have to change also the interval. Okay, so in order to enhance your topo lines, uh, I choose 0.5 as the interval. Then I want to smooth contour lines, so I'll choose true, and then add vertices is spline, and then apply, then okay. Then click OK, then click OK. So that's it. Now we are going to expand surfaces in the prospector tab. Surface 1, we created surface 1 and then expand further to definition, and then right click point groups and then click add. Click all points and then apply, and then click OK. So that's your contour. Now we are going to hide this point so that it will not be a hassle. Okay. Click home and then click the layer denote, then click decrease. Okay, so here we are. Now the next thing is we are going to create horizontal alignment. Horizontal alignment, it is the center line of the proposed road you are going to design. Okay, so in profile, oh no, alignment. So click alignment and then alignment creation tools. So you can rename your alignment. Let's say this is road 1. You can type description if you wish. Let's say RD1. So we have not created the site, so just leave that one. The alignment style is, of course, it is a proposed road. So this is proposed. Alignment layer is, this is default. And then we are going to select all levels because we want to see labels at every section of your alignment. Then click OK. Pop-up menu, alignment layout tools. So just click here and then just click tangent with curves. Okay. So just click anywhere at your surface where you want to start your roads. Okay, just click, then Okay, then you see your alignment has all the level. Now, if you find curves that is too sharp, then you can just modify it by just clicking the alignment and then move. Grip the point where you want to move, so and then click so that your curvature will be changed. Oh, okay. So next one, move further. So I can change this one. So I think that must be okay. Okay, then close the alignment tool, layout tools. Next thing is we are going to, so this is the horizontal alignment. Next thing is we are going to make the vertical alignment. So in your design, create design, click profile, and then profile creation tools. No. It's create surface profile. So you wrote this road one. Start from station 00 up to 0 plus 977.54. Now, it is your option if you want to plot a profile with your chosen length of your alignment. So you can break that, but you can as well use the default length. So the total length of your alignment is 977.54 meters. So click surface 1, then just click add, and then click draw in profile view. So your alignment is round 1. You can rename your profile view name. Let's just say road 1 profile view 1. Description RBPB1. RBB1. Profile view. This is default. Then just click next. So as I've said a while ago, you can specify the range of your profile. You can split it into two whatsoever. So just use the automatic. Click next. You can also specify the height, profile view height. Uh, I'll change this because the maximum is 1300.81. Its default is 1003, so I'm going to add this. Oh, I see. This is the minimum. So maximum 13, 21, 26. So just okay. Click next. Next. So this surface is existing ground and finished ground elevation and stations. So just click next. Then click create profile view. Now just click anywhere you want to place your profile view. This time I'll just click here. So that's it. That's your profile view. This red line is representing your ground surface. Now what's next? Next is you are going to create a profile for your proposed road. Okay, click profile and then click profile creation tools. Then click anywhere with this profile. Click at the bottom. Okay, so you can rename it if you wish. So propose road 1. So PR1, PR1, complete set. Label is complete set. So just click OK. Then the profile layout tools, we'll just click draw tangent with curves. And then click your starting station. Maybe here. Okay. Then let's turn off the snap mode. So get the snap mode, turn off, click OK. Then create your profile as close as possible with your existing ground. Then right click to enter the data. Now we can edit this and move this closer to your surface. Oh, see, let's reduce the radius of this one. So so that we can change the radius of that one. Then we can so we have a very big cutting. Maybe it's fine. So, okay, maybe this is good enough. Then next thing is we are going to create sample lines. Sample lines are lines along your alignment which is perpendicular to the center line. Okay, we click sample lines, then click our alignment. Okay, then click OK. Then in order to create sample lines in all the section and all the major stations, click this one and click those by range of the station. Okay, so the offset left and right depends on the roads that you are designing. If it is a national road, then maybe you can change this default as by 15, 15 and 15. Okay, or you can just use the default as 20. Okay, click OK. Then here we are. This is These are your sample lines, the blue one. Then just right click this one so that every sample line will be labeled by station. Right click, see. See to it that your sample lines will not overlap each other. Okay, I think that's good. So next thing is we are going to create the multiple cross-section view of your sample lines. So just click section views and then click multiple views. So that is your road 1, extension 0 to 977.54. You can also type your description, multiple section view 1. Okay. This is default, road section, then click next. Now, if you want your section views be in a printable view, then just click production. Use the layout from the template file. Or if you want that to be in a row or in a group, then just click drop. For this time, I want this production. So click next, click next, then click next, click next, next. So select band set. Okay, so I just choose major stations offset. So I'll just create my section, click create section, and then click where you want to place your section views. Okay, oh, overlap. So I'll just redo it, undo, undo. Okay, undo more. Okay. Click section views, multiple views, click next. Section view, then click next. That one, click next, click next, click next, next. Okay, click create section view, maybe a little bit lower. Okay, that's perfect. Oh, let's try the other one. Multiple view, next, check this one, next, next. That's it. Now, if you wish to add band to the section view, especially for cut and fill band, then just click this profile view and then profile view properties, click profile view properties, then we have the cut data, just click add, click this box, click OK, then click fill data, add, click this box and then click OK. Now you can move this one to the right. Under profile 2, we use the propose road. Propose road. Okay. Click apply and then okay. Mm, there you are. By this alone, you can see where station does the cut and where station does has the fill portion. Okay. So there are cases that excuse me. There are stations that has cut and has also fill. Okay. Press escape to deselect. What's next? So the next thing is we are going to create your assembly. Assembly is the cross section of your proposed road. Okay. So click assembly and then create assembly. Now you can name your assembly as proposed road assembly. Description PRA1. PRA1. Yes. Assembly type, isang assembly style, just basic, code, all codes, assembly layer, that is default, click OK, and then click anywhere you want to put your assembly. Okay. So in order to complete this assembly, you are going to click the tool palettes to add elements of your assembly. First thing is we are going to click lanes. So select any default section you want. Okay, for this time I want this one. Click in here. So remember the default width of this lane is 3.6. So I want to change it. Okay, where's the property? Wala. Just click the property and I'm going to click parameters, scroll down. So the width is 3.6. I want to change that to 7.2. Okay, and next is we have curve. Where is the curve? So I choose urban curve. click at the upper right circle to attach your curve. Okay. Next is I want to have a shoulder. So, shoulder. I want basic shoulder. Okay. So click in here. So I want this flat shoulder. Highlight shoulder and then click parameters and then change the slope. Let's say 0 or 0. Okay. Then the next thing is going to click the light. I want to choose this one or this one. That's my daylight. Cut here. Oh, see. Once you finish created your section at the right side, just highlight the whole thing. Highlight those. Click mirror to copy to the left. Click your assembly and then that is your road section. So highlight this whole thing and then click create corridor. You can name your corridor, propose corridor 1, PC1. Use the basic, road 1, propose road 1. Then the assembly is propose road assembly. Okay. Target surface is surface 1. Click OK. Let's click this OK. Then remove your corridor. So this is your corridor. The red one is your cut. The green one is your fill. Now next, we are going to create sample lines for your corridor. So your home, sample line, click sample lines, then click your line, then click this drop down menu, sample more sources, then click propose corridor, then add. Okay, existing ground. This is style is finish. Let's click OK. Oh, that's it. So See to it that this update model is dynamic, meaning if you change anything in your corridor, then the database will automatically be changed. So click apply and then click OK. Then just press enter, then escape to exit from the menu. Okay. The next thing is we are going to see your road was already incorporated in your section views. So there are cut, there are fill. Waiting ito. Next thing is we are going to at the prospector tab, we are going to expand the corridor, then right click and click properties. Okay. Corridor properties, just click surfaces and then click this box. Create corridor surface. Okay. And then at the specify code, must be at the base. Then just click add. Apply. And then rebuild your corridor. Click OK to finish the command. Next thing is we are going to make another sample lines for the corridor. Click the alignment, road 1, okay. Click OK and then likewise with this drop down menu, click sample more surface sources and then click again and add. So existing ground, you change this to finish ground. Okay, then click OK, then apply, then click OK. Enter, then press escape. Next thing is we are going to analyze the proposed road for the computation of your cut and fill volume. So where's analyze? Click analyze, and then click this icon, the one that is in front of that dump truck. Compute materials, proposed road, then just click OK, and then cut and fill, click earthworks, surface existing ground. So At Datong, we have the proposed corridor. So, click OK. Next thing is we are going to tabulate your volume. Click this total volume table. Cut and fill, road 1. So, maximum rows per table, 20. You can use 10. You can use 25. Maximum tables per stock. So, there are 3 in the default. If you change this maximum tables per stock will be changed. Say dynamic. Click OK. Then click where you want to place your table. Okay. So here we are. Station 600. Station 800. Station 60. So we have the total volume for cut is 12,656.86 cubic meter, while your fill is only 7,128.24. So in road construction, cut and fill must always be balanced in order that the cost of construction will not be too high. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to balance this more or less, not exactly balance, not 0-0 balance, but more or less there the quantities should be more or less equal. Okay, so what we're going to do, we minimize cut and we increase fill. So in your road profile, see there are cut here. So we can reduce cut in here by moving this line. Another more. Move further. Okay. So let's try to see our data table. Oh, we must have to rebuild your corridor. You see, your volume changes, but still too far. So we further so we have a difference of more than 2,000 or less than 2,000. Still big enough. About this one. Okay. 9,000. So almost we have a difference of 700 cubic meters. Let's adjust more. You can adjust this one maybe. Oh, leg. Undo. Okay. $900. Also 700 cubic meter. Moving here. Or a little bit. Just move this a little bit. So we have almost 300 difference. So let's move a little bit. Oh, a little bit only. Hmm. Still. So just more, maybe like that. And four. So I think this is perfect. So we have the difference. Oh, we can see the difference of this volume by your report. So click report manager, open, monitor. So where we can find that one. Maybe this one, volume. Okay. Right click, then execute. Create report. Okay. So the difference is only 25.94 cubic meter. That's good enough. click done. So that concludes our road design. Oh wait, you want to travel on your design? Click this and then right click and then try. Click again, your corridor and then click OK. Then adjust your eye. Maybe move the center. So maybe that's good. Click play. Then mm, oh, this all almost cut.